Is your iPhone stuck on the text message screen and refusing to budge? Don't stress, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy steps to fix the issue and get your iPhone working smoothly again. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. First, quit the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button. Open the app switcher. Find the Messages app and swipe it up to close it. Reopen the Messages app and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Remove unwanted file. Open Setting, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out Message. Here you can delete photos or other stuff if you don't need them, or you can directly open your Message app. Now, delete all unnecessary messages to avoid this issue. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and either volume up or volume down button depending on your model until the slider appears. Slide it to power off. After the device turns off, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. At this point, your problem will be solved. To avoid this problem in the future, you can do the following. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. That's it. Now your iPhone should be back to normal if it was stuck on the text message screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Have any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.